friends, Miss Howard here. Oh, I'm so glad you came. Today we are going to be sliding sounds in words as we read. Ooh. Our learning goal for today says, I can blend sounds in a word as I read. See, we know a lot about letters, right? But how do we take all these letters and how do they become a word? Well, we really have to depend on the sounds that the letters make to help us make and create the word. Like this. If I put these three letters together, B-A-T, I'm going to hear the different sounds that they each make. B-A-T. Now, so the first thing I do is I want to look at the letters and think about their individual sounds. But then after that, I need to kind of consider myself a snake because we need to take those sounds and slide them all together. Like this. B-A-T. That was like this. Bat. Oh! If I do it faster. Bat. Oh, that's how I got to the word bat. Nice. Okay, so this is what I would do. First, I would look at the letters and I would get my good reading finger. And we have the dots underneath to remind us that we have to hear all the sounds. So let's first start out by just making the sounds together. Here we go. B-A-T. Get that good reading finger. B-A-T. Now, when I slide sounds, what I like to do is take a big breath. And then I want to say all the sounds as I slide my finger to each dot without stopping and pausing and taking another breath, okay? So that will help us to slide. As we get to a new dot, we're going to say the new sound. Here we go. Bat. Oh, and as I do it faster. Bat. 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 Oh, I can start hearing the word bat. There I go. All right, awesome. You do it. Yeah, it might feel a little strange in our mouths to begin with. Bat. Bat. But as we practice it, we'll get better. Sliding it like our little slidey, snaky friend. All right, let's try a new one. All right, here is another word, and we know first thing we want to do is think about each of the individual letters and their sounds. So get that good reading finger, and we need to point to each dot and say their sound. Okay, let's do it together. M and N. All right, now that I know the sounds, I'm going to slide them together. Take a big breath. Man. Did you hear the word? Man. Yeah, do you hear how each dot reminds me to change the sound to the next letter sound? Yeah, man. I do that as I slide my finger. All right, you do it. Wonderful job. Way to hear all those sounds by sliding them together. All right, let's try a new one. Ooh, what's the first thing we're going to do? You are correct, friend. Go ahead and make the letter sound. Make sure you have that reading finger and you're tapping on each of the dots as you read. K, p. All right, now we've said the letter sounds. Now what are we going to do? Yeah, we're going to think of our snaky friend and slide the sounds. Here we go. Big breath. K, p. Ooh, what's that word? You slide it. Cup. Cup. It's cup. Oh my goodness. We're so good at sliding these sounds. Isn't it kind of fun? I think it's kind of like a little game. Great job. Remember, we want to see the letters, make their sounds, and then slide them together. Let's try another one. All right, go ahead. You know what to do. Yeah, get that reading finger, friend. Start pointing to the letters and making their sounds. Go for it. Yeah, you don't need to wait for me because you know exactly how to do this now. Ready? N. All right. N. All right, those are the sounds. All right, go ahead and try sliding them now. Run. What is that word? Run. Run! Yeah! You know what I loved about that is that when you were sliding, I could hear every single sound. It started really strong with the R. I could hear the in the middle and then the N at the end. Run. Excellent. See, a good reader makes sure that we say all the sounds that we need to as we're reading and sliding through the word. Let's practice another one. Go ahead. You know what to do. Yeah, get that reading finger. Start saying the sounds. S, b. Ready? S, b. Good. All right, slide it. Oh, what is that word? Sob. Sob. Hey, what's that word, friend? Sob. Yeah, to sob means to cry. Oh, I'm sobbing. I'm sobbing because you're doing such a great job sliding these words. All right, let's go ahead and try it again. Sob. Wonderful. Now, the great thing about sliding a letter and using the dots to help keep us organized is that our mouth automatically is going to get ready to say that beginning sound, and our mouth is going to be moving as we work through the other sounds. So it kind of keeps us, on a nice, cool path to reading. All right, let's try another one, friend. All right, right away I see J-O-G. What are those sounds? J, G. Yeah. What is that word? Slide it. Yes. Jog. Jog. What's that word, friend? Jog. Yes! I would like to go for a jog right now. Get some fresh air. Awesome. Reading. You are such a slippery slider of the sounds. All right, here we go. Let's try another one. Yeah, right away, friend. Get that reading finger. Start saying the sounds. Eh. All right, slide it. Hit. Ooh. Hit. What's that word, friend? Yeah, hit. Awesome. Your reading is going to be a hit when you do it out loud because you're so great at doing it. All right, here we go. What about this word? Say the sounds. K, I, N. All right, go ahead and slide them. Get that finger and slide. K, in, kin. What is that word? Kin. Kin. A kin is like someone who you're related to. Yeah. Kin. Wonderful job. Now, kin is a word you might not hear all the time. So what you really want to make sure is as you're doing the sounds that you're just hitting those good sounds, and it might be a new word that you're going to learn as you slide and discover what it is. All right, let's do this one. Ready? Ooh, I love making the F sound. F, d. What's that word, friend? Can you slide it? Fed. What's that word? Fed. What is it? Fed. Hey, fed. Miles fed me breakfast this morning. Thanks, pal. Fed. Wonderful job. All right, last word. This is a fun word. It's actually a type of candy. Z. Can you read that word? Pez. Pez. Ooh, Pez. Ooh, have you had Pez before? It is delicious. I really feel like you deserve some Pez after reading so well. Hey friend, our learning goal for today says, I can blend sounds in a word as I read. That's exactly what we did. First, we stopped and we looked at the letters and we thought about their sounds. Then to blend them, we slid through them like we were a snake on a slide. We slid and said the sounds as we read. Now, when you are discovering new words that you're reading, you want to make sure that you first are thinking about those sounds and then sliding them to blend them together. That's how words are created. All right, friend, good luck. You did fantastic, so I know you're going to be awesome at practicing those sliding sounds in a word.